associated details, we are talking in terms of another set. Those are going to be an independent table, or it will be like a user, like there will be a generic user table. I did not give it here, but I'm giving in a high level architecture for that also. Generic table called users, and we can give the type of user type, it being an instructor or a student. So when it is got instructor, so we can either maintain a separate table for users, and they say that user ID as a foreign key, ID will be a primary key, and we can give a class ID. Again, class ID, there will be a separate table called class, is like a master table, and in the class again there will be a class like ID, a primary key, and class level details like the name of the class and things like that. Separate set of tables. But now I'm here, I'm talking in terms of a template, how a template is associated with an instructor or a student. That's what I'm concerned. So you created a master template here, you created the associated data sets, and here what we are going to have, an instructor cannot choose a template, but in turn he can choose their data sets with it, right? So we maintain that particular ID like a foreign key here in the instructor underscore template table. Same thing, students. For student, you can have whatever data whatever answers he is giving, like he is also having a template data set, or instructor, whatever instructor has got template data sets, he is going to assign that to the student, and student can answer the data or view the data sets from this table. So for the student underscore, there will be a table called student underscore answers, wherein we are giving student answers here, and we are also giving a actual answers here. This actually why we are associating the foreign key of answer data sets to student answers, because that's how when you're doing, because we'll also be thinking in terms of grading a student assignment, right? So when you're trying to relate the answers of actual data sets against the students, that's when the grading comes into picture. I know it might be
Now,
confusing.
by the way, yeah, by the way, this is being recorded, so you can always go back and review this thing. And we will be available online to answer the questions. So so this is only one layer.
Mm.
There's another layer on top of it. So this is, I think, the lowest layer which Preeti is explaining you right now, where you are basically talking about the questions and the question templates and their answers.
Yes.
Uh,
So I mean, Toba right now has done is that I'm not sure, I haven't got the updated code from her yet, but whatever I have seen probably
can
2 months ago.
Mhm.
Uh,
Can you go to the website and check it out? The questions dot Preeti?
sir. I am not sure. Can you see
Mm,
my Chrome browser?
not yet.
I have to then share my entire screen. Okay.
Now we can. So here is the website.
I'm logging in as a,
Yeah. Dr. Vivek, you can also see that this is how it is right now.
but I need the login.
Yes, I'm viewing it.
Remember anything? I don't remember it.
I think tuba@gmail.com and 1 2 3 maybe.
Tuba.
I don't know.
Oh,
Oh, yes.
perfect. Perfect. So this is the instructor land. Okay, you want me to log into student Toba instead? For student also, is it the same?
I don't know.
No, because remember you were showing us the simulation using one of the questions. So I
I
have
don't
like,
remember कि यहाँ पे यूजर नेम की जगह यूजर नेम ही आता है या बाद में चेंजेस की थी यूजर नेम को मैंने ईमेल बना दिया था.
so I don't have that exact
ये
version.
the
So
simulation पे click करिएगा.
नहीं सर,
Click on
नहीं
the simulation on the left. See
नहीं
it
नहीं
there?
नहीं
No,
नहीं नहीं
वो
no.
नहीं होगा ना जब.
सेशन क्रिएट करना पड़ेगा सर. सेशन क्रिएट होने के बाद ये सिमुलेशन पॉप करेगा.
आप
Okay.
साइन अप कर लें।
साइन अप चालू नहीं हो रहा है मैंने ट्राई किया, it's not working as such, so sorry. As you were saying, I'm not sure if it is taking the email ID or the user ID as a this thing. I need to check that.
Yeah, as a login
Oh.
credential. Yeah.
Okay, now it is signed
There you
up.
go.
Okay. Okay, so okay, now coming back to what I was trying to explain. So Toba, what initially she has done is that she just was just dumping everything, whatever is there on the database on the UI to a table. Okay. So this particular thing is a column. This is a column. This is a column. And there is another value associated. This is a value into that column. I am assuming that's how we have done right now, Toba. Right?
Yeah, right.
Yeah. So what I'm trying to say is that so for you to start working on that now, because now I understand Ariba is working on it, you're working on the answers front, right? So or you're working on the templates front, right? So either of you, either Ariba or Toba, should be first creating these particular tables first to get you started. So you have to create a master template table, and you have to create the associated data sets with it. When you say a master template table, so it has got these things as a mandatory columns, because this is how again you are again connecting that to the UI, like from the front. It is like an e-commerce site. Okay, so for e-commerce site there is this level of drop downs associated with it. First, a user is going to select, and again underneath he is going to select a sub knowledge area, and underneath again he is going to select another knowledge area. So whenever you are creating a template, those templates sure fall under any one of these categories. Now, how do you realize which knowledge area it belongs to? You again go back creating another like a master table or like table which says like number 1 or ID, and that knowledge area is associated with, say for example, supply chain management, and number 2 it might be engineering technologies. So there is a master data that which again is associated with knowledge area, sub knowledge area, and again sub knowledge area. There'll be 3 different tables associated for this. So we are creating a master template table which covers under which falls under any one of these 3 categories. And then we keep on creating whatever columns are associated. You can go ahead and create like whatever columns you have already created, Toba. You can use probably the same columns, and if you feel that it is across all templates. So if that column is consistent across all templates, we can go ahead creating all those columns here in the master template data. Questions, or you might want to get started working on that and then ask me questions.
I don't know. I'm still confused about the relationships.
Okay. How about Ariba?
No, I think what you can do is, Preeti, the existing database architecture, if you go in over there, the existing one, the one which is there for that is capturing this info. So if you go to my PHP and see whether we're able to get into that, I think this is on the. And we have to move it from EM to some other place. Okay, this is not right. Dr. Baby, can we move it on Edge stack? Questions, I think this one.
Sorry, I keep forgetting I'm muted. Yes, we can move it on that.
Okay.
I think that would be a better place to be.
So what we can do, Tuba and Ariba will going to start working on take this existing database structure we have, convert it into something which is similar to what Preeti is explaining. I can help you out and Preeti can help you out with that, Ariba. Tuba, you continue to work on developing this more of these questionnaires. Dr. Vivek can give us more that you can continue to work on. Then your third team, who is Moise, I think, who can work on beautification of the site itself. So one of the tasks for Moise is here now. His is to give us some templates that he thinks can be good to for the site. Okay, that's one thing that Moise have to do by next week. And you can share, Moise, you can share whatever you are doing with us. In that way, you Preeti, I think you didn't save it.
I gave an incorrect login.
You check it out. So Moise, you can give couple of have you worked on something up to today?
No, sir.
No, sir. Okay. So I think the first task for you will be to come up with few templates, 4 or 5 templates, and that we can use for the site. Ask. I will. I think Preeti can send you this file over the URL on the for you to use. Preeti, can you just paste it in the chat box, the URL?
Dr.
The
M,
questions. Yes, please.
would it be for Mohit to go and look up some competitor sites before he gets started?
Yeah, maybe that won't be a bad idea to show him a couple of websites later on. So, Ariba, any questions from your side?
Ariba, when you're trying to start from the database, from the scratch, I discussed with Toba on analyzing what will be the common columns that would fall under a master template table. I'm saying, so you probably can go ahead and first don't even further complicate things. First you start taking by taking a single template, just a single template, because in a template, again, there are different parts associated with it, part A, part B, part C, part D. Complicate things. For now, let's start first analyzing what a single template or a single whatever Toba created, how is a single template working on the end-to-end work template.
Or template would be associated with one question only.
So that is what I'm saying. Right now, is it being associated with one question? Because as I understand, what we are doing is that it can be associated with n number of data sets. So the data sets can be differing. Now, for example, this is a template. Okay, the data set in the sense this is the associated with it. $1.25, $0.35. This is the data set associated with it. Okay, and this is going to differ. And now the parts, part A, part B, and try and understand on how she has developed a template, like how frequently is that a template is getting different parts associated with it. You can first start analyzing your template and then try to incorporate the same thing on the database. You understand what I'm saying?
There are separate tables where we have to create separate tables for every part.
Right. That is the reason I'm saying not to go with different templates. Since she has created separate tables for everything, now we are trying whether and try to bring in some relationship amongst the tables, right? That is what we are doing right now. Now, say for example, this is a template. I consider this to be okay. Now, what Toba has done for this is that now it is question 1A. Toba, like where exactly is the information going?
I think it is going into the table.
जहाँ से information आ रही है या जा रही है? PB01, I guess.
PB01.
PB01. So if you see, she's populating A1, A2, A3, A4, which are these things.
No, ये तो
The data set का
part A है. PB01, सिर्फ PB01, ऊपर
सिर्फ PB01. यही पे है ना, यही है ना PB01.
Yeah, this is
जी.
the question.
This is the question. So what I'm saying is that these are data sets 1.25, 0.35, 127. These are data sets. And this is these things like executives of studio recording, these things are something that are going to be consistent. So my template will typically be this is D1, D2, D3, D4, D5. This will be the data set values, data sets. Sorry, this will be the columns. In the data set table, it will be 0.35, 1, 275, 2,75,000. It's going to be like that. The values will be in a different table.
Okay, there will be a table and another table would be for the data set.
Absolutely, absolutely. Right.
Okay.
Okay.
And then
So now-
instructor maybe can enter the values into the data set, but not in the template.
So,
Absolutely.
as I understand, sir, the data set values is something which we are again predefining it.
The data set values can be changed later on. So somebody can change the data set values. Once the data set values changes, the answer changes. But Ariba is right that the text will not going to change. Okay, what will
Text,
change
right?
will be the value, like 1.25, 2.35, and so on and so
Right,
forth.
right.
And so those will change. So there will be a data set table.
So-
There will be a text table related to a particular problem template.
Okay, so that we can do it. So right now, as per this scenario, so you can create a data set, and once you create a data set, you have to populate the appropriate answers for that data set. So that's how we go.
Okay.
So even if you're developing this part for the instructor, so once they populate the data set answers, the immediate next screen should be they
Would
have
be
to
to enter
check
the correct
answer.
answer.
Right.
Okay.
Understand what I'm saying, right? So this is
Yeah,
how
yeah.
it's gonna. So as I was saying again, start with only one single template right now. Create a table.
I'll try to define the relationship.
Just do a high level table. Just take only one template as a base and
Okay.
start developing on top of it.
Okay.
Okay, this image I'm going to group पे share करूँ या?
ग्रुप पे शेयर कर दे.
Okay.
मुझे भी ईमेल भी कर दिएगा व्हाट्सएप. आप are you a member of that team, Preeti, yet or not?
This one?
No,
This one?
WhatsApp group. Yes,
Nets
this one.
computer software. Yes, I am.
Just add it over there.
Okay, I will do that. So yes. Any questions for me? Toba,
No.
any
No, ma'am, thanks.
questions?
So for Tuba, we can have some more
Templates.
templates.
Mhm.
So Dr. Vivek will going to give us some websites to look into for Moise to use them and create a template. I will do that thing in 5 minutes. Before I go into that, let me ask Osama. Osama, if whenever you are ready, can you please share with us the things that you have created in CAD, specifically the animation one more time? And I think once Dr. Vivek will give us some template, we can then talk to Moise. Ghulam Haider, can you hear me?
Dr. Ahmed, I sent you one.
Okay.
If you'd like to consider that, and I'm looking for some more.
Sure. Moise, I'm going to put it in the main.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Why don't you look into this website first?
And some parts might not be relevant to us, which is fine. Just look at the parts that are relevant to us.
Dr. Vivek, can you put it for everybody? Thanks.
Yes, I can. Give me a second.
Oh, all right. Ghulam Haider, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay. You have if you want to share what you have done with me and Preeti, that will be awesome. Osama, whenever you are ready, let me know. You are the co-host, so we can start sharing yours. Ghulam Haider, if you want, I can make you the co-host so that you can share things. It's up to you. Ghulam Haider,
Yes, I'm trying to share it. Wait a minute.
sure.
Sir,
Yes, Osama.
सर
Yes, Osama.
सर इस वक्त मेरे पास जैसे मैंने ज्वाइन किया है बस आपके व्हाट्सएप के ऊपर मैंने व्हाट्सएप चैट्स के ऊपर बहुत सारी डिटेल्स वगैरह टाइमली मतलब शेयर करी हैं, तो अगर आप उसको
अच्छा
स्क्रीन शेयर कर दूं तो डॉक्टर साहब को हम दिखा सकते हैं।
अच्छा, लेकिन वो मेरे पास आई जस्ट को रीड करने का नहीं है इस वक्त, इस वाले कंप्यूटर पे आई जस्ट रीड नहीं कर
मैं कर
पाऊंगा।
दूं
हाँ कर ले।
शेयर?
बोला मैं whenever you are ready we are waiting for you। और अगर तुम वेट करना चाह रहे हो तो मैं ओसामा को पहले कर देते हैं, वी डोंट हैव लॉट ऑफ टाइम। ओसामा गो अहेड प्लीज। यप, ये कौन सा है भाई? एक तो ये बाइक्स थी, ठीक है, इस बाइक
नहीं, बाइक वाला तो एक्चुअल है, उसको मत देखिए, वेबसाइट को देखिए कैसे लेड आउट है। मैं
अच्छा
उसके लिए
नहीं, वो अभी वो फिर मोइस बताएंगे। ये सिर्फ
सॉरी या सॉरी।
मोइस है, ये ओसामा। तो ओसामा जो है वो, इसलिए कि हमें ओसामा को कुछ टास्क देना है जो कि हमको आगे का प्रोडक्ट है ना, ताकि वो ओसामा उस पे काम शुरू कर दें।
नहीं,
तो
आई गॉट यू।
so we need some
एक मिनट
task for him later on। so इसकी एनिमेशन भी है जो हमने लास्ट टाइम देखी थी, जो कि हम यूज कर सकते हैं। इसी तरह इनके पास ये छोटे छोटे से और हैं दो तीन जो हम यूज कर सकते हैं। आई लाइक दैट। हाँ ये तो ये वो है कॉफी कॉफी वो हॉट वाटर मेकर का भी पोर्शन हो सकता था इसमें। ये वाला दिखाएं जरा असामा, ये जो वो था क्या नाम है, शेड था ना, एक शेड था, नॉट दिस वन, द स्मॉलर वन। ये तो वो है जो आपने उसमें, ये वाला नहीं, ये नहीं, ये तो नहीं, दूसरा वाला था ना छोटा, एक और ऊपर था अभी मैंने देखा, नॉट दिस वन। इसको स्क्रॉल करें नीचे, ये भी नहीं, ये भी नहीं, अभी हम बताएं, कीप गोइंग, नीचे आए, मेरा ख्याल है नीचे होगा। वो एक छोटा सा था जिसके अंदर वो एक तरह से अपने वो नहीं होता तंबू की तरह। यस, ये रहा एक, ये था। इसको भी, इसका भी एक सिंप्लीफाइड वर्जन है आपके पास, लेकिन हमें आपको अब दो तीन प्रोडक्ट्स देने होंगे जेन्युइन किस्म के। ठीक है। हाँ ये एक इनका देखें प्रोडक्ट, डॉक्टर साहब, व्हाई डोंट यू शो द एनिमेशन ऑफ दिस थिंग,
एक
दैट
मिनट।
डिजाइन। See, the chair went inside this thing, cabinet, and then you can open it up, and then on the right side this will go into left and you can have a table. The blue one. So that will be the legs. Okay. So it seems like we need to give you some new drawings to make. Thanks, Osama.
Okay, sir.
Ghulam, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay, go ahead, share your screen, please. So Ghulam is working on a particular, you're working on linear regression on Python.
Okay.
So
Sir, I'm
please
trying,
go-
but it is not.
Meanwhile, I sent you one more website here.
Moiz, you can look into that website. You cannot do it? So you are having some issues again, Heather? Ghulam Heather? Ghulam Heather? Are you having some issues? ये बेचारा जहाँ पे रहते हैं इनकी मेरा ख्याल है वहाँ पे प्रॉब्लम है। तो मोइज आप शो कर सकते हैं अपना स्क्रीन? Moiz Ali,
Yes, sir.
can you share your screen and go to the website that Dr. Vivek has
Sir,
sent you?
Okay, sir.
हाँ मुझे लग रहा है उसको वही प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है एक्सेसिबिलिटी का।
Are we doing linear regression now?
No, not yet. He is still
Okay.
trying to get into. Uh, uh, are you on your phone?
Myself,
No.
sir.
Moiz, are you on your phone?
Yes, sir.
You don't have your laptop with you?
Sir, there is load shedding in our area,
Oh,
sir,
load
since
shedding.
morning.
Okay. No, understand. Okay.
I can show the website if you
Okay,
want.
go ahead, Dr. Vivek, please.
I think let's do that.
Let's do that. Dr. Vivek, so you can stop. Dr. Vivek can show you quickly.
Give me 1 second. Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Reba and Eamon, how are the classes going on?
Okay. So this is a website which has
Moiz,
but here-
concentrate, please.
Okay, sir.
here is the business simulation thing here. Okay. Look at the clarity with which the stuff is given here. Okay. They add some information. This aspect, everything made it easy actually show on the first screen. So I don't like this thing about this website. They have a lot of written stuff here. If these things, everything made easy can come here in my first, that's going to be very attractive. This part.
Just one thing.
Yeah.
Right now, I think we are more inclined towards that how the questions will be shown.
Oh,
So Moise is working on that portion, like how are the questions will be shown to the students, how the students will going to respond, and what
We should go
that
in a
portion will look like.
we have to go in a simulation in that case.
Okay.
Let's say Can we try this?
Yeah, we can try this. This is also good for what's her name, Amen and
This
Hani.
exercise help you understand the basics of product design. It uses that says customers buy benefits and not components or features. The
So
exercise
the Amen and what's her name? Amen and Hani are already working on this thing. So they are using your triple example, and they are basically trying to convert it into this format, that portion. So Amen, what was your question? Where you said that we have some questions about it? What are your questions? This is the time. Amen Javed.
Yes, sir.
क्या क्वेश्चन था बेटा आपका?
सर मुझे ट्रिपल एक्शन ऑप्शन इफेक्ट जो है समझ नहीं आ रहा, मतलब वो क्या है?
अच्छा रुको, मैं
नहीं
आपको
हम मेरे पास आपको डॉक्यूमेंट जो भेजा था ना डॉक्टर साहब, सॉरी, आपको जो डॉक्यूमेंट भेजा था, आपके पास वो डॉक्यूमेंट है?
यस.
ओके, कैन यू ओपन इट एंड शो इट टू अस?
आई एम ऑन मोबाइल, कैन आई शो?
ना मैं करता हूँ फिर शेयर. होल्ड ऑन, hold on, just give me 1 minute. Projects.
मैं शेयर कर दूं डॉक्टर अहमद?
नहीं, वो मैंने चेंज किया था मेरा ख्याल है. मैं देख रहा हूँ मैंने कहाँ चेंज किया था. इन लोगों को भेजा था तो मैंने फाइनल सर्टिफिकेट नहीं मैंने देख रहा हूँ. Computers. एक मिनट, just give me one triple effect. Here you go. Names. And triple. Okay, here you go, starting points. Here you go, triple. So now look what Dr. Vivek was showing you. Okay, so what she was showing you was one screen. So that one screen will have three things. Can you also share, Dr. Vivek? I think I have multiple people sharing it, option on, so you can also share if you want. I want to show side by side.
Or you want me to show mine?
Yeah, or just send me the URL. What is the URL for that on WhatsApp, please?
Wait, I'll send you the specific one. Give me 1 second. I sent you the specific to where we were.
Okay, hold on, let's see.
If you want, I can even share. I mean, it's open here.
Where did you send it?
On the chat.
Oh, chat पे है, वो चलता नहीं है यार वहाँ से.
अच्छा रुकिए मैं शेयर कर लेती हूँ. Okay. So ये वाला है.
Can you all see it?
It says product design.
So
Yes,
नहीं,
sir.
मेरा ख्याल है नजर नहीं आ रहा किसी को.
अरे
हाँ, ये product design है ना, जैसे ठीक है. So product design is the title. All right. Now this is the second screen, or you can call it, this is the first screen. It has pictures as well as it has some audio attached to it. Fine. You understand this up to this point? Amen.
Yes.
So this
Yes.
is first screen, which have three things involved. So let me go back to the screen, share my screen. And now this is the title, the triple option effect. You need an image for that. We don't have an image right now. That's a screen 0. That's a title page. You click, there should be a button on which is similar to this, which says next. When you say next, it's move on to screen number 1. Now screen number 1 will going to have an image as well as this text, and we also going to have this same audio available for this text. Once you click on next, again it will have some image like this, and we're going to have some text. So now let me go back, stop mine, and Dr. Vivek can show the website that she was sharing.
Yeah, 1 second.
Principle that
So
says
this is the
by
text, okay, and then the image, and then there is a narration. So in our case, there will be a text, image, narration, as well as some things that are going to go with the narration. So the same thing will be written down. तो आपके पास तीन चीजें होंगी, इमेज भी होगा, एक टेक्स्ट जो होगा बोलने वाला वो भी होगा, और आपके पास उसके अलावा चीजें भी होंगी. तो ये जो हमने आपको दिया है, ये स्क्रीन बाय स्क्रीन दिया है. ये स्क्रीन देख रही हैं आप. देखिए जब डॉक्टर विवेक है ना, नेक्स्ट का जो एरो है उसको क्लिक करती हैं तो वो फिर आगे जाता है. ये वाला, ये देखा आपने, ये नया स्क्रीन आ गया. ये स्क्रीन है. वो हानि को मालूम था ये वाली बात. अब समझ में आई आपको या अभी भी सवाल है कुछ?
नो सर, समझ में आ गया.
सो अब आपको पहले तो इमेजेस क्रिएट करने हैं इसके. तो ये जो भी हमने आपको दिया है, इसके कोशिश करें पहले इमेजेस लेकर आने की. अच्छा, इमेजेस के लिए मैं आपको एक वेबसाइट भेज दूंगा, उधर है ना रॉयल्टी फ्री इमेजेस मिलते हैं, तो आप वहां से लेकर डिजाइनिंग कर सकते हैं उनको. अगर आपको प्रॉब्लम हो रही है और आपको नहीं आता इमेज डिजाइन करना, तो छोड़ दीजिए उसको, मैं किसी और से करवा दूंगा. आप सिर्फ है ना इस कोड के ऊपर कॉन्सेंट्रेट करें. और प्रीति, यू हैव सम टिप्स फॉर देम, व्हाट दिस कोड विल लुक लाइक?
Yeah, probably they must already be having an experience with script as such. So generally for this type of interaction, what we do is that we do an asynchronous calls, like using JavaScript, like an Ajax call, or so either it can be handled through a framework, be it Node.js or React.js. I mean, it can be done in many ways, but this is one of the ways like a JavaScript, making an Ajax query for Ajax call for that. So if any one of you, if any one of you has any experience in dealing with that, I mean, because looking at this, if you have any basic thoughts, like an initial thoughts on how do you want to incorporate, you can probably discuss here, and then we can share, like it can be a.
So Amen, for you and Hani, you need to start thinking about not the code yet, but what type of coding will be done, as Preeti was explaining you. तो कौन सा कोड यूज करेंगे, किस तरह से इसको यूटिलाइज करेंगे. अभी आप इमेज के बारे में ना सोचें, अभी ये सोचेंगे कि जो फ्लो होगा ना, उसका बैक एंड पे कोड क्या होगा. इसलिए कि इसमें आपको ना सिर्फ ये है कि ये बनाना होगा, बल्कि इसके अंदर भी वही होगा कि जो स्टूडेंट्स क्लिक कर रहे हैं उनको रिकॉर्ड भी करना होगा कि वो उन्होंने क्या क्या चीजें क्लिक करी हैं, ताकि फिर हम उसके बेसिस पे उसको एनालाइज करके बताएं कि उन्होंने कहाँ का गलती करी है. ओके, सो मेक श्योर फर्स्ट जो भी आप कर रही हैं का एक इमेजिंग से, तो एक उसकी जो डिटेल्स हैं छोटी बहुत, वो जो व्हाट्सएप की वेबसाइट है वहां पे आप थोड़ा थोड़ा बताएं सबको कि क्या कर रही हैं, ताकि अगर आप गलती पे हैं तो बजाय इसके कि हम वी वेट फॉर द होल वीक, we can correct you over there. That is what you are doing. So it's not a bad idea कि आप कल और एमन कल जो है एक मीटिंग करने के बाद अपने जो क्वेश्चंस या कंसर्न्स हैं या आपने जो कुछ सोचा है, व्हाई डोंट यू पुट इट डाउन इन राइटिंग एंड पुट प्लेस इट ओवर देयर इन द व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप. सो यू अंडरस्टैंड एमन, क्या करना है आपको?
यस सर, थोड़ा थोड़ा समझ में आया है, लेकिन आई हैव वन क्वेश्चन दैट लाइक हाँ कि जावास्क्रिप्ट में करना है, तो isn't it this all thing can be done by Python?
So JavaScript is something that option. तो आप कुछ भी यूज करके कर सकते हैं. तो अभी हमारा रिक्वायरमेंट है कि you will have to make it interactive. तो Python यूज करके अगर मतलब जब तब भी स्क्रिप्ट चाहिए होगा, क्योंकि इंटरैक्टिव करने के लिए आपको कुछ ना कुछ एजाक्स क्वेरी ऐसा कुछ करना ही पड़ेगा. तो इफ यू आर अवेयर ऑफ एनी अदर टेक्नोलॉजी वेर इन यू आर मेकिंग interactive, for example, take the example of a stock market. Okay, the stock market page on that, the numbers on that is going to be changing at every given point of time. You know, then in the stock prices, the page is not going to refresh every time, but instead the stock prices are going to fluctuate. So they actually in turn use an Ajax query for be a built-in, like, to make it interactive. So that is what I'm trying to say it here. You know, even here also, you're not supposed to refresh the page. You're not supposed to what a user thing is like. Once they click on next, they should be on the same page. Only the image should be changing. So you understand what I'm saying, right? So आपको image सिर्फ image चाहिए. मान लीजिए आप एक human body है, ठीक है? There is a human body, and on the human body you are trying to attach hands, eyes, mouth, nose, everywhere. The human body images, the skeleton structure will stay in place, but without refreshing the page, you will just add hands on top of it. तो वो सब करने के लिए आपको JavaScript, you're aware of any other technology or any other scripting language which does that, you're open to do that. I'm just giving an, you know,
I don't
like
think the
an
Python can
example.
do it. You have to refresh Python to rerun the whole thing.
Huh.
So why don't you again, Eamon, you and Hani look into this thing, all right? And let's discuss it more on the website, on our WhatsApp. Muiz, what you have to do, I think me and Dr. Vivek will going to work on and give you some ideas on the website within couple of days. And you should then start creating something as a template to show us. Okay, and we'll work interactively.
Okay, sir.
Okay, the last guy, you will have, what is his name? Ghulam Ahmed, are you still there? Ghulam Ahmed? हेलो गुलाम अहमद नहीं है मेरा ख्याल है, कोई प्रॉब्लम हो रही है. एक मिनट जरा देखिए कि कौन कौन है पार्टिसिपेंट्स. तो बहुत सारे गुलाम अहमद है मेरा ख्याल. तो इसका गुलाम अहमद ऐसा करिए, फिर आप अपना जो डेटा है, आपके साउंड तो खुली भी है लेकिन आवाज नहीं आ रही.
हेलो सर.
हाँ, तो ऐसा करिए, फिर आप अपना कोड जो है वो भेज दें, उसको फिर हम खुद रन करके देख लेते हैं. आप ये बताएं कि आपके आंसर्स कैसे आए, उसका इमेज शॉट
सर
भेजें.
आपने जैसे 3 डेटा सेट दिए थे, तीनों के डिफरेंट वो थे टारगेट. मैं अभी पहले वाले उसकी बात करूंगा जिसमें हम वो प्रेडिक्ट कर रहे हैं सैलरी.
ओके,
एक मिनट, शेयर नहीं हो रहा.
डॉक्टर विवेक, अगर आप उसको वो कर दें, अनशेयर कर दें.
हेलो सर.
हाँ हाँ अदर,
मैं गूगल कोलैब का वो गूगल कोलैब में भेज दूँ.
ठीक है.
कोई जीमेल अकाउंट अगर कोई टाइप कर दे.
अच्छा, प्रीति, कैन यू प्लीज जीमेल अकाउंट? We have sent
Sir,
you.
I'm giving my email ID in the chat box here. तो गुलाम, आप ये कह सकते हैं कि मतलब what I'm trying to do is that I'm trying to design a generic script Python, क्योंकि हमारे पास we already have some certain codes available, like linear regression. I was using it with sklearn, and I was also we are also trying to incorporate another libraries, any logistic regression sorts, trying to come up with a generic script in terms of Python that which gives us that which tells us about the similarities. One Python script will do that. One will talk in terms of different types of regressions that which we use. So when you're sharing in Google Colab, I mean, I can go through the code as well, but it would be of more help if you can just let us know on what are the prerequisites, like whatever libraries I should be installing, and like if you can just give a screenshot on the output, then it makes me easier to develop the generic Python script.
Okay.
Okay.
तो वैसे मैंने आपको आंसर्स भेजे थे।
आंसर सर इस वाले प्रॉब्लम के नहीं भेजे थे आपने। आपने जो टारगेट निकालना था, प्रेडिक्ट करना था, वो आपने इरेज कर दिया था, तो जिस वजह से मैं एवेल्युएशन नहीं कर पा रहा। बाकी
अच्छा।
मैंने 3 मॉडल यूज किए हैं।
कौन कौन से?
जी सर, लीनियर, जिसमें मैंने आपको बताया था कि स्केलिंग और विदाउट स्केलिंग के साथ, और लॉजिस्टिक रिग्रेशन, और इसके अलावा SVR, सपोर्ट वेक्टर रिग्रेशन। उसके अलावा न्यूरल नेटवर्क भी यूज कर रहा हूँ, लेकिन उसमें ये प्रॉब्लम है कि जो अगर मेरे को आउटपुट पता हो, यहाँ से उसको वो करूँ, नंबर ऑफ न्यूरॉन्स वगैरह हाइपर पैरामीटर ट्यूनिंग करते हुए मैं उस हिसाब से करूँगा जो मुझे अगर वो पता हो।
तो आप जो भी स्क्रिप्ट डेवलप कर रहे हो वो तो आप शायद जेनेरिक स्क्रिप्ट जैसा जनरेट कर रहे होंगे, राइट? जैसे लाइक यू आर गिविंग द डिपेंडेंट वेरिएबल्स एंड द independent variables. You're trying to come up with a script that which is generic enough to we just key in the input as a CSV file and then it gives us the output, right?
राइट।
Okay.
एक मिनट, मैं ये जरा ओपन कर रहा था जो तुमको मैं रिग्रेशन L2 करके नाम से भेजी थी। ओके, सो लेट मी शेयर इट विद यू।
मैंने आपको जो रिग्रेशन आपने बोला था, सैलरी प्रेडिक्ट करना था जिसमें।
जी 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 जी, एक मिनट।
वो प्रॉब्लम समझ में भी आ गया था, लेकिन जो रिग्रेशन उसमें प्रॉब्लम ये था कि डेटा सेट मुझे समझ में नहीं आ रहा है। तो जो ये आपने पैकेज 1, पैकेज 2, पैकेज 3, जिसकी वजह से
ये वाला इसकी बात कर रहे हो?
नहीं, सैलरी नहीं, जिसमें सेल्स प्रेडिक्ट करना है।
सेल्स प्रेडिक्ट करना है, लेकिन देखने में कौन सा वाला है वही। ये तो एक हो गया। तुम इसकी पहले वाले की बात कर रहे थे, L1 की। एक मिनट, इसको कॉपी करके देखता हूँ। इसकी सेल्स की,
ये एक मिनट,
ये वाला
रिग्रेशन जी, ये वाला। इसमें ये पैकेज टाइप 2, और इसमें और खास भी रिलेशनशिप नहीं बन रहा सेल्स के साथ इनका। अच्छा,
देखो इसमें जो इम्पोर्टेंट चीज है वो ये है कि इसके अंदर जो पहला कॉलम है ना, ये पैकेज टाइप, अगर तुम इसके आंसर्स देखो, ये रहे आंसर्स इसके सेकंड उसके अंदर। तो इस आंसर्स के अंदर तुम ये देखो तो इसकी जो इसका तुम कह जो रहे हो ना, आंसर इसका बहुत खराब आ रहा है। ये देखें अब, इसका आर वैल्यू इसकी बहुत स्लो है, 20% है, बहुत लो है, ठीक है ना? तो तुम्हारा अगर जितना भी आ रहा है इसका मतलब गलत नहीं आ रहा है, इसलिए कि आएगा ही बहुत कम। अच्छा, दूसरा ये था कि जो पैकेज टाइप 2, 3 एंड 4, जो कि ये 3 डेटाज हैं, पैकेज टाइप 2, 3 एंड 4, फर्स्ट का तो इफेक्ट ही नहीं आ रहा। 2, 3 एंड 4 को भी देखोगे तो ये रहा यहाँ पे 2, 3 एंड 4 का कोफिशिएंट्स देखो, और सिवाय पी वैल्यू इसकी ज्यादा अच्छी है कांस्टेंट की, बाकी कोई भी आप ले नहीं सकते, किसी पे भी इफेक्ट नहीं पड़ रहा उसका। तो आंसर गलत नहीं आ रहा होगा आपका, कि इफेक्ट ही नहीं आ रहा, वो है ही नहीं। तो मैंने आपको ये दोनों
इसमें आप क्या कह रहे हैं जी, आप क्या कह रहे हैं इसमें R² की वैल्यू कम हो या रूट हो?
नहीं यार, इसमें तो आंसर ये मैं आंसर दे रहा हूँ कि हाउ ऑथेंटिक योर कोड विल बी। ये हम उसकी एक्यूरेसी नोट करना चाह रहे हैं कि कोड जो है वो कितना एक्यूरेट है। तो मैं जो आंसर बता रहा हूँ ना आपको कि अगर आपने ये डेटा डाला तो इसके रिजल्ट्स ये आने चाहिए। जो आपका कोड है ना वो इसके रिजल्ट्स को ये देना चाहिए। इसलिए कि वो कहता है कि 3 डिग्री ऑफ फ्रीडम से मतलब 4 वो हैं, ये रहे 4, 1 2 3 4। और कह रहा है कि इनका जो पी वैल्यू है 0.5 है, जो कि बहुत ज्यादा है। लेकिन इसके बावजूद हमने इसकी जब पूरी कैलकुलेशन करी तो हमने कहा कि आर वैल्यू तो 0.2 है, तो कि बहुत ही कम है। आर स्क्वायर और एडजस्टेड आर स्क्वायर तो और भी खराब है। ठीक है ना। तो इसका मतलब है इस डेटा के अंदर कोई भी ऐसी चीज नहीं है जो आपको सही प्रिडिक्शन दे रही है। तो इसका मतलब है देयर इज नो कोरिलेशन बिटवीन दीज वेरिएबल्स। ठीक है ना। कोई भी वेरिएबल्स तो इसी को अगर आप यहाँ पे देखेंगे तो ये देखें इसकी जो रेजिडुअल वैल्यूज हैं कितनी हाई है। लेकिन ओवरऑल अगर आप देखें तो कि इसकी प्रेडिक्शन को तो 5014 की जगह ये 4968 दे रहा है। सो ओनली रेजिडुअल जो है इसका डिफरेंस जो है वो 45 है। तो आप यूज तो कर सकते हो, लेकिन क्या आप इसको कहेंगे कि ये बहुत ही अच्छी रिजल्ट्स हैं? नहीं। लेकिन आप ये देखें कि 5095 है और इसकी प्रेडिक्शन जो आ रही है वो आ रही है 5022। तो स्टिल देयर इज अ डिफरेंस। लेकिन अगर आप इसको परसेंटेज ऑफ एरर लेंगे तो बहुत छोटा होगा, वो इतना बड़ा नहीं है। तो ये भी देख सकते हैं। तो
ये तो वैसे जी ये
हाँ बोलो बेटा, बस वी हैव टू फिनिश अप। हाँ बोलो।
वैसे ये जो आपने किया ये एक्सेल से किया है?
ये नहीं नहीं, ये एक चलाता है
सिंपल
सॉफ्टवेयर
लीनियर
स्टैट टूल है, उसके थ्रू।
ओके सर।
स्टैट टूल तुम है ना उससे डाउनलोड कर सकते हो। इसका ये एक्सेल का ही है, उसके थ्रू ही डाउनलोड हो जाएगा। ठीक है।
ठीक है सर।
चलो सही है फिर। तो फिर इसको अगर मैं तुमको 1-2 और भेजता हूँ, और जो प्रीति ने कहा है ना वो प्लीज कर दो। ठीक है।
यस।
ओके गाइस, थैंक यू ऑल। मैं इसकी वीडियो आपको वहां पे शेयर कर दूंगा। ओके।
Thank you.
थैंक यू डॉक्टर विवेक, रियली अप्रिशिएट। प्रीति थैंक यू।
Thank you, Dr. Ahmed.
थैंक यू।
Thank you, Dr.
थैंक यू। यू गाइस हैव अ नाइस डे।
Yep, you too.
खुदा हाफिज।